And another one for me? Hey, come on, she's gonna be here any minute. She better. She will.
Hello?
Hi, honey. How are you?
Oh, don't tell me Robert's asking you to go back to Portland and you won't be back for a week.
No, nothing like that. Not yet, anyway.
What?
Nothing. As a matter of fact, I think I might have a little good news.
Oh, you're coming home right away.
No, but I think I'm onto something, and it might all be cleared up here shortly. And don't forget that I will be bringing you champagne home, and we can just pick up from where we left off, okay?
From the beginning, if you don't mind.
From the beginning it is.
Hey, Rosie! I told you she'd be here.
I didn't think I'd hear from you again. So long, sailor, stay la vie.
Ah, you should have known I wouldn't do that to
It
you.
wouldn't be the first time. I thought you shipped out again.
I just got kind of unavoidably detained.
Max misses you very much.
Well, I miss her, too, very, very much.
Oh, my gosh.
What is it? What happened? What is it?
She just said Daddy.
Did she really?
Yeah.
Did she really say Daddy?
Yes.
Put her on for a second.
Okay.
Hello, Max. Hello, it's Daddy. Hello, baby. Can you say Daddy?
For the road, huh? So why don't you pay the guy and we'll get on out of here, huh? Come on, I'll pay you back for as soon as I get. Promise. Thank you. I'll keep the change, huh, pal?
Daddy, can you say that?
Max, I gotta put you on hold. Tell your mother I'll call you back. Get this out of the way. You gotta move it.
Hey, you didn't have the right of way.
Get it out of the way, will
Hold your horses, buddy. You break it, you bought it. Got it?
Uncle Sean, Uncle Sean, Uncle Sean.
Thank you for bringing back our clothes.
Oh, no problem. I'm just so sorry the evening didn't turn out like you wanted it to.
I'm getting used to it, but at least we tried, right?
Yeah, I can't tell you how many times Sean has had to go off on some secret mission right in the middle of it, you know.
Yeah, but I always make it up to you when I get back.
Yes, but we never know when you're going to come back.
Oh, well, every romance needs a little mystery, sweetheart. I mean, eventually we do get together. We just don't know when and where, that's all.
Or for how long.
Oh, would you two like to be alone for a while?
No, that would spoil all the anticipation.
Oh, we don't want to spoil the anticipation. What else do we have to look forward to, right, darling?
Right,
It's been
sweetheart.
so long, I don't even remember what it is that I'm missing. Sometimes I wish I would have fallen in love with a boring man.
Oh, come on, you don't mean that.
I know what you're going to say, and you've said it 100 times. Frisco's the kind of guy who likes adventure.
That's right, honey, and you're the one that... You talked him into rejoining the force, didn't you?
And I think it's probably the biggest mistake I've ever made.
Oh, come on. It wasn't a big mistake at all. It was exactly the right thing to do. You're just feeling this way because you're a little angry and frustrated, that's all.
You said it.
Well, look, after this case is all over with, everything will be back to normal.
And then there'll be another case, Sean. You know that.
No.
Oh, come on, Felicia. I mean, he's just like any other man. They just need a little challenge every now and then, right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think I'm a good challenge for my husband. Come on, Max. It's time for your nap.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? That was Dada. It was Dada.
Hi. What you got? I got bad news. I lost him.
How could you botch such a simple case?
Well, I'm not going to make excuses. I just lost him. That's it.
Golden is one of the few leads we have in this case.
I don't think so.
Rubbish.
I don't think he's a viable lead in this, Robert. I don't. I mean, the guy, first of all, he's at the bar having a few drinks. In walks a girl. I could describe her if I had to, but she's just a girl. She frequents the place quite often. She picks up guys on shore leave, which tells me that she has nothing to do with a sabotage, arson, or an attempt to murder you. The guy's a drunk. That's it, Robert. He's just a plain drunk.
So maybe he goes to our man after he leaves her.
Well, I can go back out and try to find him again if that's
Forget
what
it.
you want.
Why don't you go home and get some rest?
Well, no, I'm fine. It's not about being tired.
Take the offer while it stays open.
Right. See you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'll let you out.
Thanks. Hi, hon.
Hello. Oh, it's so good to see you. How did it go? How come you're home so early?
Well, it didn't go quite as I had planned.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's
Actually, I don't really care too much. I'm just glad to see you.
Me too.
Did you bring the champagne?
Champagne.
Oh, no, you forgot. Did you really forget?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I'm just glad you're here. It's just you and me now. You and me all alone. Thank goodness I've been waiting for this.
Such a headache.
Oh,
Started back again.
is it that bad?
No, it's a pounder. You know,
Oh,
and it
well,
just
I could take care
throbbing.
of that.
Well, I mean, it's just the whole
Well,
back area is just...
Oh, sure.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
Is that good?
yeah, that's real good.
Just try to keep your mind all clear and not think about Max Scorpio, all right?
Not who?
Didn't you say that this morning? How's that?
This morning had more champagne involved. That was definitely a...
That's-
Oh, yeah. But you know how sometimes your back can just knot right up?
Uh-huh, I understand.
Oh, if you could get a little
How's the neck, upper neck?
lower back and like
lower back.
and a temple at the same time.
Okay.
That can-
Yeah.
Yeah,
right there.
that's it, honey.
Is it,
Oh.
Do you like them both at the same time or one on the back and
No, I like everything at
Oh, good.
everything at once. You know what I mean?
Yeah, how's the head?
The head's happening.
It's getting better, huh?
I betcha.
Good.
How you feeling?
I feel pretty good.
That's for me to decide. You do.
I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere, okay?
But couldn't we?
Don't do anything. I'll be right back.
Bobby's probably.
Okay. Now, wait a minute.
There's someone who could quiet a crying child. Come on, Maxie. That's right. Come on. Shh, 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 shh. Oh, come on. Hey, we don't want to cry that loud. Huh? Because you're going to be a singer and you don't want to hurt your vocal cords yet, do you? Come on. Shh, shh, shh. Come on. That's it. You okay? You better? Come on. Come on. Let's see. Huh? Is that better now? Look at you. There you go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good girl. Let's go into our room. Our room, and we'll just go in there. And we'll just, maybe we'll find some shush. Just find some toys to play with, huh? That's right. You kiss her good night.
Got her smiling.
Baby. I'll be back.
Oh, I had the strangest dream last night.
You did, huh? What'd you dream about?
I dreamt I spent the entire evening with my sexy, gorgeous husband.
Husband? What are you telling me? You're telling me this now? You use me all night and then you tell me you're married? You have a
And we had
husband?
no interruptions by the police, no interruptions by crying babies. It was just beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful, huh? That's the word you're using to describe this guy, this guy you seem to be so in love with, husband or whatever.
Mm-hmm. I love him hopelessly.
Sure, now you tell me.
Oh, my goodness. You kiss like him.
How's that?
Like this.
Excuse me. I hate to sprinkle a bit of reality on this lovely situation.
Then don't.
I'd love to spend the day in bed with you.
Then do.
But it's 9 o'clock, hon.
I thought you said you could go in late today.
Well, yeah, but not too late. I mean, as soon as I get a little breakfast in me.
Oh, breakfast? You can stay for breakfast? Do you have time for that?
Oh, well, not if we have breakfast. No.
Well, I can think of a better way to spend the time.
I believe you.
Besides, who needs food anyway?
Well, food, I like food sometimes. I mean, depending on what my choices are. I mean,
Well, here it goes. The moment approaches, the crowd gets tense. She does what she has to do. She takes a deep breath.
Oh, come on already. The suspense is killing me.
She does it.
How did you do that?
I don't know. I'll never do it again.
I guess I better get it. Hello? Hello, Robert. To what? But why don't... Well, I understand, but... Whole day? What? Yeah, no, that's fine. All right, fine. I'll be there as soon...
So much for our blissful morning. Now I have to go back into worried mode.
No, there's nothing to worry about unless you're concerned that I'm going to spend too much money at Wyndham's.
Your assignment is to go shopping at Wyndham's?
Well, no. Robert wants me to watch after Anna and make sure nothing happens to her, and...
Oh, that sounds like fun. I could do that.
This is an assignment, Felicia. It's not a shopping spree.
Right. Just kidding.
But, you know, then again, I might be able to be swayed into,
You better get going. You don't want to keep Anna waiting.
I knew it. You understand a woman that has to go shopping, but Robert or anybody whose life is on the line...
At least I know you're going to be home at a decent hour because the stores close early.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you something. When I get home, I just might do some indecent things with you.
I hope so.
You do, don't you? Hmm? Do you?
Yeah.
Hi, Frisco.
Hi, how you doing? Good.
Joel, thank you. Hi, Ruby.
Here we go.
Oh, my goodness. I really hate this. This is just so ridiculous.
You know, I'm beginning to think that you don't like me, Anna.
Oh, no.
I had to carry you out of Robert's place. For the last 15 minutes, you've been telling me you don't want to be with me.
It's nothing to do with you, Frisco. I just didn't want to go out. Well, that's not true. I mean, it would have been nice just to get out on my own, have a little walk or something. But I didn't need to go out with an escort.
I just want to make sure that you're protected, that's all.
I'm perfectly capable of taking care of myself. You know that.
Well, I'm sure that you are, but these are my orders, so could you take it easy on me? Thank you. I haven't seen Robin lately. How is she?
Olin's looking after her with her family.
Well, good. That means she's protected, you're protected, and hopefully Robert will be taken care of.
Oh, yes. I've made very sure of that.
Have you noticed anything a little unusual?
That you're the only man in here?
Yeah.
No, I hadn't noticed that.
I mean, you really know how to make a